Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Accor Live Limitless loyalty account, follow these detailed step-by-step instructions to ensure your membership is properly activated and you can start earning rewards. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Accor Live Limitless website, or open the ALL mobile app on your smartphone. Step 2. Log into your account using the email address and password you provided during registration. If you haven't registered yet, create an account first before proceeding. Step 3. After logging in, check your email inbox for a verification message from Accor Live Limitless. This email should have been sent when you first registered your account. Step 4. Open the verification email and click on the verification link provided. This link will redirect you to the Accor website and automatically verify your email address. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification email, go to your account settings on the Accor website and click on Resend Verification Email to receive a new link. Step 6. Once your email is verified, complete your profile by adding personal information such as your name, phone number, and preferences for hotels and travel. Step 7. For enhanced account security and additional verification, consider adding a phone number to your account. You may receive an SMS verification code to confirm your mobile number. Step 8. Review your account dashboard to ensure all information is correct and your verification status shows as complete. You can now start booking hotels and earning loyalty points. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.